Are you concerned about how your skin is starting to look? Are those fine lines and wrinkles starting to show just a little bit more than you would like? Or maybe your skin's not quite as plump and firm as it used to be. And I'd like to introduce you to our UltraCare Plus DNA Cellular Age Renewal Cream. So what's so special about this cream? This cream contains Juvavoxo, and you may have heard of Juvavoxo. It's an ingredient that replicates the peptide found in the immortal jellyfish. So what it does, it just attaches to the skin cells and helps the DNA in your skin cells to repair and rejuvenate and makes the skin act 10 years younger. We'd all love skin that's 10 years younger looking. It also has ingredients to help plump the skin, improve the elasticity and firmness. So within 24 hours of using this, you should notice a difference in your skin. So how do you use it? After you cleanse and tone, just apply it to all over the face, your neck and intercolletage, and just gently massage it in. Now you can use it on its own as your moisturizer, or you might like to add a moisturizer with some SPF for the day, and then maybe use your night cream at night. It's really up to you. You can use it just on its own, but you might decide you might feel you need a little bit more nourishment than just you might like to add some other cream over the top. So that's our DNA Cellular Age Repair Cream. Just one of our beautiful products from our Platinum range, and it's going to help your skin look and feel amazing.